Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I am going to be going over how to use Leonardo AI to create stunning logos like a pro. Now if you're the kind of person who is tired of spending so much time on softwares like CorelDRAW and Photoshop, or you're tired of hiring designers to do your designs for you and you're looking to go over the process by yourself, then of course this video is one that you should stick to till the end. And if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so over here on the community feed, all you can do is search for the word logo right here, and it will pop up, generate some options that you can use. Alright, so after some time searching, I stumbled on this one right here, and it kind of looks good for what I'm thinking of using. So I'll just click on the image to image right there. Alright, so this is it right here with all the necessary settings. What I will do this time is change some things right here. So instead of eagle design, I can of course use something else. Let's say, and when you're done with your prompts, you can click on generate. Alright, so after some attempts, I was able to come up with some really nice results, and most didn't really make that much sense, but generally I was able to play around with the prompts and I came up with some really stunning looking logo designs. So you can try this out and see what comes out of it. The idea is to look for a logo that best describes or best fits the description of what you're looking to do, and just try to copy the prompts and use it as an image guidance and just see what you can make out of it. It did take me some time to generate most of these images. I played around with the prompts, changed some keywords, and came out with a bunch of different results, some good, some bad, but you get the point. So yeah, if this video did help you or give you some insights on how best to go about your logo creation process using Leonardo AI, then of course you can feel free to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in another video.